In this video, we are going to see what is JSON prompting and how you can use to create video using VO3. I serve AI to businesses to make them 100x. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can use JSON prompting and create videos using VO3. Lot of people thinking like JSON prompting is like something in coding part or like that. Okay, JSON is an in the technical stuff. JSON is an language. It has key value pair. Why it perform best in image generation or video generation? Because when we use JSON like key value pair, model can get understand better way how they can create videos according to that. JSON prompting is like a template for ours to that we can feed best input, and using that model can generate their best output. Okay, let's see. In today's video, we are going to see how you can create a viral IKEA ad using VO3 and JSON prompting. Okay, for this is just I just see on screen that I have created. And no worry, we are also going to create same ad again using same prompt. Okay, here's the template prompt that you can use to write any JSON prompt. The second is this is the prompt, just copy paste and just go in VO3 or Gemini. Okay, let's go in Flow. Okay, just go on VO3, just go on Google, search VO3, or you can go also through Gemini. Okay, so okay, let's start use Gemini. That was easy. All of yours. Okay, let paste the prompt and just hit enter. Now it will generate the video. Okay, before generating the video, just let's see how our JSON prompt will work and how it is. Okay, let's see the first structure. You can see here there has a curly braces we are added, and okay, let's see in example. Okay, here you can see description, what type of video we want, then what type of style we require, camera angle, lighting, room. Okay, like what are the elements that we want to add in the video. You can increase also that elements, like what was the motion do you want. Is this a JSON prompting is type of template that with what type of input do you want to give to generate best quality of video. It just key value pair, like you, okay, you want to style, you follow this. If you want to camera angle, this do this. It is the best way to practice anything, and don't way to always don't require to remember things that okay what thing I want to add always. uh, and also have some quick tips that you want to follow. Always mention what specific aspect ratio do you want. After that, and make up, okay, there are some, and do not try to give multiple concept in one prompt. Just try to keep it simple that AI can understand very fastly. JSON prompting is not only for video generation. You can use any other way as well, like image generation, or you want to use in chat GPT as well, you can use there as well. Okay, let's see what's our output. And okay, hey, our it generated our video, let's say. Yeah, that's our output. You can also experiment with the given prompt. You can also update and test how it works, and also try for image generation, how you can use in image generation and other stuff as well. Thank you.